Chicken rice is a beloved dish that has made its way into the hearts and palates of food enthusiasts around the world. Hailing from various parts of Asia, such as Hainan, Singapore, and Malaysia, this dish showcases succulent poached chicken served with fragrant rice and an array of delectable condiments. If you're looking to create an authentic and delicious chicken rice at home, you've come to the right place. Ingredients. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's gather the essential ingredients you'll need to make authentic chicken rice. For the chicken, 1 whole chicken about 1.5 kilogram. 2 to 3 slices of ginger. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, crushed. 2 to 3 pandan leaves if available. For the rice, 2 cups of Thai rice. 4 cups of chicken broth from boiling the chicken. 2 to 3 slices of ginger. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, minced. For the condiments, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, chili sauce, ginger paste, cucumber slices, fresh coriander leaves. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Preparing the chicken. Rinse the chicken thoroughly inside and out, and remove any excess fat. Pat it dry with a paper towel. Season the chicken generously with salt, both inside and outside. Place the chicken in a large pot and add enough water to cover it. Add ginger, garlic, lemongrass, and pandan leaves to the pot. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook the chicken for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's fully cooked. Remove the chicken and immediately plunge it into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. This ensures a tender and silky texture. Step 2. Cooking the rice. Rinse the Thai rice until the water runs clear. In a separate pot, heat some vegetable oil and add the minced garlic and ginger. Add the washed rice and stir fry for a few minutes. Pour in the chicken broth and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 15–20 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Step 3. Preparing the condiments. While the rice is cooking, prepare the condiments. Mix dark soy sauce and light soy sauce in a small bowl. Prepare a bowl of chili sauce. Slice the cucumber and pick some fresh coriander leaves. Step 4. Serving your chicken rice. Once the chicken is cold, rub the skin with a bit of sesame oil. Carve the chicken into bite-sized pieces. It's important to use a sharp knife for a clean cut. Serve the chicken on a platter alongside the fragrant rice. Provide the condiments dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, chili sauce, ginger paste, cucumber slices, and fresh coriander in small bowls for your guests to customize their plates. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of cooking authentic chicken rice. Give it a try, and you'll impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. Enjoy your homemade authentic chicken rice.